The human brain is a mysterious organ that is much bigger than it looks. This deceptive characteristic of the brain is also reflected in the sense of self that humans entail. While what we look like are just a collection of atoms and molecules, the sheer probability of having consciousness, and that too, this advanced, triggers a belief that humans are much more than just flesh and bones. And this is how the concept of soul is fostered. Religious texts and teachings frequently bring the soul into the discussion. What some perceive as soul boils down to consciousness that assists us in being us. Soul is believed to exist beyond the laws of life and death. It is postulated that our soul existed before we did and will exist after we do not. However, this concept becomes feeble when looked through a scientific spectacle. Sean M. Carroll, a physicist specializing in cosmology, gravity, and quantum mechanics, shared his peace of mind regarding this never-ending journey of a soul through a blog post. Sean elaborately analyzed the tributaries of this thought that claims that life after death does not end at decomposing of the body, but exists beyond that. The questions that target the sanctity of this belief revolved around the fundamental laws of physics that play their role in the interaction of atoms with their surroundings. Sean throws light on the fact that for life after death to be true, the basic structure of physics of atoms and electrons will have to be demolished, and someone will have to build a new model. Believing in life after death, to put it mildly, required physics beyond the standard model. Most importantly, we need some way for that new physics to interact with the atoms that we do have. Most people perceive souls as a blob of energy. What Sean argues about is the interaction of this energy with the world that we witness and the building blocks of it that we do not see. Multiple equations such as the Dirac equation, Lorentz invariance, Hamiltonian system of quantum mechanics, gauge variance, etc., will be proven void, or the concept of the soul will lose trustful ground in attempts to justify the existence of life after death. While discussions such as these do tickle the thought process, it also sways us away from the more reality-centric questions about human beings and the consciousness giving them an identity. So, what do you think about the existence of an immaterial, immortal soul and the life after we die? Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.